Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and nature topics. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is area bound by two curves. The formulas used are included in the video and the question is also posted in the video. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in mathematics. It takes persistence, discipline and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. Now, in this particular case, area bound by two curves, you are given two formulas. X squared plus 4x minus 32. And y is equal to 2x minus 10. Okay, now we are given these two. These are two graphs, right, in the form of, the first one is a parabola, and the second graph is a straight line. What we're wanting is to figure out that point, and calculate the area over here. Now to do that, you see y is equal to, so what we say is x squared plus 4x minus 32 equals 2x minus 10. Okay, so now this comes over minus 2x, so that's x squared. 4x minus 2x is plus 2x. Minus 32 plus 10 is minus 22 equals 0. Now for this particular case, we have to follow our rule of the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our next point of reference is to say minus 2 plus or minus the root of 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times negative 22 all over 2 times 1. Right, so what we have now is minus 2. Now we're just going to use the plus for now, because you use plus and minus over there, it will change the sum of it. So right now it's plus root 4 minus, now this will be a plus. 4 times 22 is 88. Is 88. 4 plus 88 divided by 2, which is minus 2 plus the root 88 plus 4, let me make that a better form. 88 plus 4 is 92. 92 over 2. Now this can be worked down through mathematics and you get minus 1 plus the root of 23. This is our sum for now. That's what we focus on right now. This equals x. Now x2, now the next one, that's x1. x2 is minus 1 minus root 23. Now we've got to keep this in mind when we do our next part. So our next part goes like this. Now it's one side, it's one equation minus the other. So the integral of 3,796 minus 5,796. Now x squared plus 4x minus 32 minus 2x plus 10. Right, so we will be left with exactly the sum that we got when we put them together in the first place. So the integral of 3,796 minus 5,796, x squared stays the same, plus 2x minus 22. Now this is your limits. These two are your limits. So by combining the two, we've actually worked out our limits with a quadratic formula. Sometimes you'll get nice numbers, sometimes you'll get numbers like this. Right, so let's go. X cubed over 3 plus x squared minus 22x. 3,796 minus 5,796. So now we put these all together and we minus them. So 3,796 cubed over 3 plus 3,796 squared minus 22 times 3,796. Put that in a bracket. Minus the exact same sum, but instead minus 5,796 over 3 cubed plus minus 5,796 squared minus 22 times minus 5,796. Then I'm going to write my answer. I'm going to take this away. Now that we have all this, we are going to take it as minus 50,869. That's this one. Minus 29,01. So this equals minus 79,879. Now minus with area, it doesn't matter if it's plus or minus, the answer will always be a plus, regardless of what you do. So units squared. And that's our final answer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon, or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.